see there, in this video, I will walk you through on how to log into WorkPulse. It's a very simple and quick step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in to WorkPulse. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser and let's type in WorkPulse login since we're going to log in, and hit enter. Now make sure you tap into the official page, which is this one right here. May take a while. And okay, let's type in your password. Your username. I'm typing like a random number over here, but I'm hoping you have your actual username and password, and your ID, of course. Okay, you have to keep in mind, you make sure that you type in your actual information, like actual username, actual password, and the ID. Now, since you have done that, if you've forgotten the password, you don't need to worry at all. So yeah, if you don't have an account, you can also contact WorkPulse to subscribe by hitting that option that literally says that. And since you have already typed in all the credentials, all you gotta do is hit that login button and you'll be logged into your WorkPulse account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, don't forget to comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.